Welcome back, guys. Today we're at the sugar mill ruins here in New Smyrna Beach, Florida. Sugar Mill Ruins is located at 600 Mission Drive in New Smyrna Beach, Florida, and is open daily from sunrise to sunset. Heads up though, the entrance is easy to miss as the sign is small and it looks like a private driveway. The Cruger-DePeyster sugar mill was built in 1830 on 600 acres that Henry Cruger had purchased from Ambrose Hull. This land had been part of the original grant made to Andrew Turnbull by the British during their 20-year occupation of Florida. The mill was constructed of coquina that was quarried nearby. Coquina is a sedimentary rock composed of fossilized mollusk shells. Cut coquina is porous and delicate, so to protect it, a coating of white lime plaster would have been applied. Being a steam-operated sugar mill, the process would have started here in the engine house, or crushing house, which contained the steam-driven grinding machinery that extracted the juice from the sugar cane. The juice was then moved to the boiler room, where the liquid was heated in a series or train of kettles. Gradually thickening, it would eventually be ladled into wooden cooling troughs. The crystallized sugar would have then been packed in barrels and stored here, a drying room called the purgery. There it would drain for several weeks before shipping. On December 25, 1835, a band of Seminole Indians pillaged the plantation. They set the sugar mill and other buildings on fire. Afterwards, the machinery from the sugar mill was removed and installed at the Dunlawton Sugar Mill. Though not part of the plantation, there are displays of small sugarcane mills which would have been driven by animals also on the property. As well as a sugarcane stove. Behind the mill, there's a nature trail that winds through a hardwood hammock with a canopy of live oak. The trail is lined with ferns, saw palmetto, and cabbage palms. After a short distance, the trail emerges behind the mill, only a few feet from where it began. Thanks for coming along today. Be sure to leave a comment telling us about your experience here. And until next time, check out some of our other videos linked in the description below.